We've got a Ryzen 7 5700X3D with 8 cores, 16 threads, and a maximum boost of 4.1 gigahertz with that awesome AMD 3D cache technology. It's a great processor with the AIM4. We got a B550M Pro VDH WiFi, an RTX 4060. We went with 32, I think. 32, yep. 32 gigs DDR4 3600 CL18. Although, I think I switched you over to CL16 3200. Not a big deal or a big difference in performance. And the brand, based on availability, way to go with this brand versus the Team Group brand, which is Pinnacle. Then we have an MP44 2TB M.2 NVMe SSD, which is a PCIe Gen 4 SSD here. If you're not familiar with these, you probably have seen me build with these all the time. They're great. Super fast SSDs. And then a 650 watt 80 plus gold power supply with white, right? White sleeved power cables, yes. And then we also had added 2 thin 15 millimeter thickness. If you can see, they're super thin.